Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen gadget that has become a staple for many home cooks, the Instant Pot 6-quart programmable electric pressure cooker. We found this product online and have added a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this Instant Pot? In a nutshell, it's an all-in-one cooking appliance that combines the functionality of 9 different kitchen devices into one sleek and efficient unit. This means you can use it as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice maker, steamer, sauté pan, sterilizer, warmer, bakery, and more, all in a single machine. One of the standout features of this Instant Pot is its intuitive IMD touchscreen, which boasts 12 preset cooking programs. This user-friendly panel makes it incredibly easy to control your cooking settings, ensuring that you get perfectly cooked meals every time without the need for guesswork. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, you'll appreciate the simplicity that this touchscreen offers. The 6-quart capacity is another significant highlight. It's perfect for families, batch cooking, or meal prepping, allowing you to serve meals for up to 6 people. This makes it a fantastic choice for anyone who enjoys cooking for friends and family or likes to prepare meals in advance. Now, let's talk about speed and nutrition. The Instant Pot operates at a powerful 1000 watts, which means it cooks up to 70% faster than traditional stovetop methods. This not only saves you time in the kitchen but also locks in nutrients, making your meals not only quick but also healthier. If you're someone who values nutrition but struggles with time, this feature is a game changer. Safety is another critical aspect of this electric pressure cooker. It comes equipped with over 16 safety features, including a lid lock, steam release, and boil-dry protection. This gives you peace of mind while cooking, especially if you're new to using pressure cookers. You can focus on creating delicious meals without worrying about safety concerns. For those who like to plan their meals ahead of time, the 24-hour delay start function is a fantastic addition. You can set your meals in advance and have them ready when you need them, making it an ideal solution for busy families or individuals with hectic schedules. Cleaning up after cooking can often be a hassle, but the Instant Pot makes it simple. It features a non-stick ceramic pot that reduces the need for excess oil and makes cleanup a breeze. Both the inner pot and lid are dishwasher safe, and the stainless steel exterior is designed to resist fingerprints, keeping your kitchen looking tidy. The Instant Pot comes with everything you need to get started right out of the box. Included are the pressure cooker itself, a non-stick inner pot, steaming rack, measuring cup, rice spoon, condensation cup, recipe book, and user manual. This means you won't have to purchase additional accessories, you're all set to dive into your culinary adventures. So, who is this Instant Pot suitable for? It's perfect for busy families, meal preppers, health-conscious individuals, and anyone looking to simplify their cooking process. Whether you're whipping up a quick weeknight dinner, meal prepping for the week ahead, or planning a weekend feast, this versatile appliance has you covered. In conclusion, the Instant Pot 6-quart programmable electric pressure cooker is a remarkable kitchen tool that brings convenience, speed, and safety to your cooking experience. If you're looking to elevate your culinary game and make meal preparation easier, this might just be the gadget you need. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.